Hey guys, welcome back to Lamilli Armory. Today I'm going to be upgrading my Masterpiece Arms Defender by attaching the A3 Industries Picatinny rail adapter and also using the SB Tactical FS1913 stabilizing brace. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that the firearm is clear, so nothing in the magazine, nothing in the chamber. So this is the top cocking model. There are some side cocking ones, and I already have a laser attached on this that works really well at the range. But getting back to the video, so here is where the adapter plate's going to go. So first off, this has to be installed before the Picatinny rail can be installed on top of it, right in here. And all the hardware is included, which is great. And then this 1913 stabilizing brace will be able to attach to the 1913 Picatinny rail, and I'll be able to have a folding brace. Alright guys, so I have the adapter plate here. So it can only go one way, and if you try to put it on backwards, you're going to know right away, or upside down. So it's going to go just like this. Line up the holes, use the provided screws here, and then use your hex key, and then go ahead and install that. Alright, so here is the first step. So the 3 screws are installed, and I would recommend putting in Loctite so the screws don't make their way out. But super easy, just follow the steps. And now we're going to go on to the second part here, where this gets attached right in there. So there is a little groove where this can slide in, just like that. You can hear it's sliding. And then you just line up the holes, just like that. Alright guys, and here is the A3 Industries Picatinny rail adapter installed. So really simple to do. Just follow in that order, put on the plate, and then the 1913 Picatinny rail adapter goes in the back, just like that. Really sturdy. See, there's no play. So there's a total of 5 screws. So there's 3 in this plate here, and then 2 right in here. So now we'll go ahead and install the pistol stabilizing brace. Alright, and this brace is going to install very easy. So you just have to loosen this little nut here and then attach it wherever you see fit. So you can go up here in the middle, a little lower, and then you're just going to tighten this, and then you'll be set to go. Alright guys, and here is the finished product. Super easy to install. I ended up installing it way at the bottom here so that I can see my irons. Notice if you had it in the middle, it's a little too high when you try to rest your cheek here. And obviously if you have it at the highest setting, you won't even be able to see the irons. But this is what it looks like. Super nice.
Wow, incredible!
Here's the other side. Very tactical looking, and here's how it looks folded. Again, this is stiff when it first comes out, like brand new, so you want to go ahead and put a little bit of force, and then that's how it looks like folded. So you can stow that away. Here's the other side. Super nice. Definitely would recommend getting one of these to upgrade your Masterpiece Arms Defender. Makes stabilizing a lot easier. Alright, that's it folded back out. Once you play with this for a while, just folding it, unfolding it, it loosens up a bit. Alright guys, so that was upgrading the Masterpiece Arms Defender. This is the FS1913 pistol brace. that I purchased. And then here is the A3 Industries Picatinny rail adapter. Definitely recommend picking this guy up. And then any of your 1913 pistol braces that you'd like. Easy to install, you can see, and it looks a lot better. And also it's going to be fun to shoot at the range. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.